Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Welcome to today's video. We're diving into the refreshing world of lemon water and its incredible health benefits. If you're looking to boost your hydration, enhance your nutrition, and improve your overall well-being, then you're in the right place. Hydration is critical to maintaining optimal health and well-being. Our bodies comprise about 60% water, and staying hydrated is essential for various bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even more severe health issues. By incorporating lemon water into your daily routine, you can quickly increase your water intake and keep your body functioning at its best. Lemons are not only a delicious addition to your water, but they also pack a powerful nutritional punch. Rich in vitamin C, lemons are known for their immune-boosting properties and can help ward off colds and flu. They also contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Additionally, lemons are a good source of potassium, which is essential for heart health and muscle function. When you combine the hydration benefits of water with the nutritional powerhouse of lemons, you get a winning combination for your health. Lemon water can help detoxify your body, improve digestion, and promote weight loss. It can also give your skin a healthy glow and boost energy levels throughout the day. In this video, we'll explore the science behind lemon water and how it can benefit your health in numerous ways. Get ready to learn all about the power of lemon water and how you can easily incorporate this simple yet effective drink into your daily routine. Stay tuned for practical tips and tricks to make the most of this citrus-infused elixir. Let's dive in. The nutritional power of lemons. Lemons may be small, but they are mighty regarding their nutritional content. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, lemons are a powerhouse of health benefits that can support your overall well-being in numerous ways. One of the critical nutrients in lemons is vitamin C. Just one lemon can provide you with a significant amount of this essential vitamin, which is crucial in supporting a healthy immune system. Vitamin C is known for its antioxidant properties, helping to protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Incorporating lemons into your diet can boost your immune system and help ward off illnesses and infections. In addition to vitamin C, lemons are also a good source of potassium. This mineral is vital for maintaining proper heart function, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance, essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. By including lemons in your diet, you can ensure that you're getting a dose of this crucial mineral to support various bodily functions. Regarding enhancing your nutrition, lemons offer a versatile and delicious way to add flavor and health benefits to your meals and beverages. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over salads, seafood, or grilled vegetables for a citrusy taste. Add lemon slices to your water or tea for a refreshing and hydrating drink. You can even incorporate lemon zest into baked goods or marinades for an extra flavor. By incorporating lemons into your diet regularly, you can reap the nutritional benefits of these citrus fruits and support your health deliciously and refreshingly. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into how lemons can enhance your nutrition and well-being. Hydration benefits of lemon water. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining optimal energy levels and promoting overall health. Water is the elixir of life, playing a crucial role in various bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. However, drinking plain water can be boring for some. That's where lemon water is a refreshing and beneficial way to stay hydrated while adding flavor and health benefits. Hydration is vital to maintaining energy throughout the day. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and sluggishness, making it challenging to stay focused and productive. Ensuring you're adequately hydrated can boost your energy levels, improve cognitive function, and enhance your overall well-being. Lemon water provides a tasty alternative to plain water, making it easier and more enjoyable to meet your daily hydration needs. Lemon water can make staying hydrated a more flavorful experience. The citrusy tang of lemons adds a refreshing twist to your water, making it more enticing to drink throughout the day. Lemons also contain natural antioxidants and vitamin C, which can help boost your immune system and protect your cells from damage. By infusing your water with lemon slices or juice, you can enhance the taste while reaping the health benefits of this citrus fruit. Incorporating lemon water into your daily hydration routine is simple and easy. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water to kickstart your metabolism and hydrate your body after a night's sleep. Carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day and add fresh lemon slices for a burst of flavor on the go. You can also experiment with variations, adding mint leaves or cucumber slices for a refreshing twist. By making lemon water a part of your daily hydration habits, you can enjoy the benefits of staying hydrated while tantalizing your taste buds. Stay tuned for more tips on how to make the most of lemon water in your daily routine. Health benefits of lemon water. Lemon water is not just a refreshing beverage. It also offers many health benefits when consumed regularly. This simple concoction can positively impact your well-being, from aiding digestion to promoting detoxification. Let's explore the health benefits of incorporating lemon water into your daily routine. One of the key benefits of lemon water is its ability to aid digestion and promote detoxification. The citric acid found in lemons can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, improving digestion and preventing bloating and indigestion. Lemon water also acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins from the body and support kidney function. Starting your day with warm lemon water can kickstart your digestive system and promote healthy detoxification. In addition to aiding digestion, lemon water can benefit skin health and weight management. Lemon's vitamin C and antioxidants can help combat free radical damage and promote collagen production, leading to more transparent, radiant skin. The hydration provided by lemon water can also help keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Regarding weight management, lemon water can help curb cravings, boost metabolism, and support healthy digestion, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet and exercise routine. Numerous scientific studies support the health benefits of lemon water. Research has shown that the antioxidants in lemons can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which are linked to various chronic diseases. Studies have also demonstrated the potential of lemon water to improve digestion, support weight loss, and enhance skin health. By incorporating lemon water into your daily routine, you can harness the power of this citrus-infused elixir to support your overall health and well-being. Stay tuned for more insights on how lemon water can transform your health from the inside out. Incorporating lemon water into your routine. Are you ready to elevate your health and wellness routine with the refreshing goodness of lemon water? This simple yet powerful elixir can be a game-changer in supporting your overall well-being. Let's explore some practical tips and strategies for seamlessly incorporating lemon water into your daily routine. Making lemon water at home is quick and easy. Start by squeezing the juice of half a fresh lemon into a glass of warm or room temperature water. You can adjust the amount of lemon juice based on your taste preferences. For added flavor and benefits, consider adding a few slices of fresh lemon or a sprig of mint to your water. Experiment with variations, such as adding a dash of honey or a pinch of cayenne pepper, for a unique twist on this classic drink. To maximize the benefits of lemon water, consider drinking it at optimal times of the day. Starting your morning with a glass of warm lemon water can kickstart your metabolism, aid digestion, and hydrate your body after a night's rest. Sipping lemon water throughout the day can help keep you hydrated, curb cravings, and support healthy digestion. Enjoying a glass of lemon water before meals can also help stimulate digestion and reduce bloating. Feel free to get creative and experiment with different variations of lemon water to suit your preferences. Try infusing your water with other citrus fruits like lime or orange for a citrusy medley of flavors. Add herbs like basil or rosemary for a refreshing herbal twist. You can even mix in coconut water for added hydration benefits. The possibilities are endless, so have fun exploring different combinations to find your perfect blend of lemon water. Cheers to your health and wellness journey with the power of lemon water. Lemon water offers a refreshing and flavorful way to stay hydrated, support digestion, boost the immune system, and promote detoxification. With its rich vitamin C content, antioxidants, and minerals like potassium, lemons pack a powerful nutritional punch that can enhance your overall well-being. Whether you enjoy it first thing in the morning to kickstart your day, sip it for hydration, or include it before meals to aid digestion, lemon water can be a simple yet practical addition to your wellness regimen. By making this small change, you can reap the numerous benefits of lemon water and support your journey toward a healthier lifestyle. We encourage you to take the first step towards a healthier you by incorporating lemon water into your daily routine. Start by trying some easy recipes and variations shared in this video to find what works best for you. Experiment with different flavors, temperatures, and timings to make lemon water a delightful and nourishing part of your day. If you found this information valuable and inspiring, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Join our community of health enthusiasts as we continue to explore ways to enhance your well-being and empower you to live your best life. Cheers to your health and happiness with the refreshing benefits of lemon water.